In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync HighLevel with QuickBooks. We'll use Make, the automation platform, to connect your HighLevel account with QuickBooks so data can move automatically between them. This walkthrough keeps things simple and focuses on getting a basic scenario in place that you can expand later. Start by heading to Make's website and either sign up or log in. A free plan is fine for testing. Make sure you have access to both your HighLevel and QuickBooks accounts and that you can authorize third-party connections for each. Once you're in Make, go to the Connections area. This is where you'll manage which apps Make is allowed to talk to. You don't have to set everything up here first, but it's helpful to see where your app connections live. Next, open the Scenario Builder. This is the visual canvas where you design automations. You'll see a search bar for apps and a big plus button to add modules. Search for QuickBooks. Choose the QuickBooks Online app in Make and pick the module that matches what you want to do, such as creating a customer, finding a customer, or creating an invoice. If Make prompts you to connect your QuickBooks account, follow the authorization flow and grant only the permissions you need. Now search for HighLevel, sometimes listed as GoHighLevel. Add a module that complements your QuickBooks step. For example, you might watch for new contacts in HighLevel and then create matching customers in QuickBooks, or the other way around. The key is to pair a trigger or search step on one side with an action on the other so the data moves in the direction you want. Choose the actions you want from both apps and place them in the order that reflects your workflow. Then map the fields. Connect things like first name, last name, email, phone, and company to the appropriate QuickBooks fields. Pay special attention to required fields in QuickBooks, such as display name, and consider using a consistent unique identifier like email to avoid duplicates. If you need to transform data like splitting a full name, use Make's built-in functions right in the field mapper. When your mapping looks good, click Save Changes. If Make alerts you about incomplete scheduling or missing test data, review your modules. If everything is intentional, you can click Save anyway to keep your progress and return later to fine-tune. That's it for the initial setup. With your scenario saved, you can expand it over time, add filters to control when it runs, and carefully test with sample records before using real customer data. This approach gives you a reliable sync between HighLevel and QuickBooks with minimal manual work.